Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So here on my paper towel I have two sets of these full cover nail tips that I get from AliExpress, but I'm not going to be doing both of my hands. I'm going to be double tipping these nail tips. So in order to do that, I'm just going to add a little bit of base coat inside the nail, and then I'm just going to be placing it right on top of the other one, sliding it up just a little bit just so that it adds a little length. And then I'm just going to hold that in the light and let it cure for 60 seconds. And then once it come out, it does have a little bit of bubbles in the middle, but that is okay because it's not going to be visible once I do my design. And to apply these, I'm going to be using the Après method, so I just add a little bit of base coat inside the nail tip and then on my natural nail, and then starting at the cuticle, pressing it down towards the free edge, making sure that there are no bubbles, and then I'm just going to hold that in the light for 15 to 20 seconds and then repeat this step on all of the other nails. And I've seen Breezy Nail do this on her channel, and I just had to try, so I wanted to try it for this set. And even though this method doesn't add a lot of length to the nails, I love doing this, and most likely I will try this again. And I also want to say that in this video I will sound like stuffy a lot because I have really bad allergies and this pollen has been going so crazy. I was unsure if I should like do a voiceover for this, but like I really wanted to post a video. I was supposed to post a video Wednesday, but I didn't really get around to it because I was in the bed all day like feeling super tired and like super sick. I was sneezing a lot and having to like blow my nose a lot, so I just didn't really get around to doing this. But I'm editing this video Thursday and it's going up tomorrow, which is Friday, so today is Friday basically. And I just wanted to let you guys know that, just in case I sound weird in this video. Some of you may have not noticed, but I noticed because like it's me talking, if that makes sense. But like, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that just in case I sounded weird. And so once I apply all of these nail tips, I just went ahead and let them cure for a final 60 seconds. And then I'm going to take my hand file and just file this little piece here so that it blends in with the nail underneath. And I'm going to do that for all of the nails. And I'm also going to file the free edge just to like crisp. And then to start the design, I'm going to be using this pink from Nail Addict LA, and I'm also going to be using this white gel polish. And to start off my design, I'm going to be applying the pink color to my pinky nail, and this color is super pretty. It is so bright and it applies so good like butter. I only added one coat to these, and like these were super opaque, and these have like a little fruity smell coming from these. Like I forgot to mention it in my other videos, but like each time I do my nails I think like these smell so fruity, but like I just forget to mention it, so I'm glad I remember in this voiceover. And I'm just going to take my brush and just clean up around my nails. And now Nail Addict LA has an affiliate program, so I am a part of that now. So if you use my code KEY2 at checkout, now it will save you 45% off instead of 55% off, but I will get 10% commission. So yeah, if you would like to support me in a way, that will help. And yeah, if you use my code KEY2, it will save you 45% off. For my ring finger, I'm going to do a marble, so I'm starting off with the pink and I'm just putting some blobs on the nail. And then I'm also going to take the white and just fill in the spaces. And watching this video back as I'm like doing this voiceover, I did notice that I forgot to wipe off the brush before putting it back into the bottle, but the bottle was nearly empty anyway, so I wasn't like too worried of like contaminating my gel polishes. Once I finished adding the white, I'm just taking this brush and like just smearing and like blending these in, swirling these around so that it creates a marble effect. and I felt like I had too much pink, so I ended up wiping some of it off and adding some more of the white gel polish. And once I get it how I like, I'm just going to cure that in the light and then move on to the next nail. And this pink is so pretty, like it's like a Barbie pink almost, like it is just so bright and pretty. But once I finish with the ring finger, I'm just going to move it to my index finger, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did for my ring finger. I'm going to do a marble again, so I'm just going to repeat those steps on this nail, and then I will come back. And guys, to be honest, I'm not really like feeling this voiceover because like I don't know, like it just sounds super weird to me, and like I was so excited to post these because they are so cute, but this voiceover and like this video is just not matching. So yeah, if you guys could give it a like and like comment down below, it will make me feel a little bit better about this video. And I just wiped off this side so that it doesn't take away from the shape. And this is the marble. This is such a cute design, like it's so easy for beginners. And for my middle finger, I'm just gonna go in with that white gel polish and just do a full white nail. And I did cure for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I added another coat of that white. And then I also made sure that I cleaned up around the cuticle area before I cured. And these are how the nails are looking so far. Like, look at how this pink color looks. It's just so pretty. And these are how the nails are looking. This marble is looking so cute. And then next I have this bag of Kawaii nail charms. I got these from Amazon. I will make sure that I link it below. And I really wanted to use this long one because like I felt like it matched with the marble the best, but it was just like super long and I didn't like how it would fit on the nails. So I just ended up picking something else, and to apply these I'm just going to use my rhinestone glue, and I would have used like a clear poly gel, but I was just going to pop these right off once I was done taking pictures and stuff. It's just for the video. I'm just going to apply these with my rhinestone glue for now, and then once I got that placed how I want, I'm just going to cure that in a nail light and then go in with my other charms. And after applying the charms, these are what the nails are looking like so far. And then next I'm going to go in with a top coat and add a layer to all of the nails. And for the ones with the charms on them, I should have just went ahead and put a top coat on before. That way I didn't have to like get around the charms, and like it would have saved time as well. I'm just going to add a top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And then after that is cured, I'm just going to add my cherry scented blossom cuticle oil. And I do love this cuticle oil. I love how the bottles have like real flowers in them. I feel like that is so pretty. And I'm just going to rub this into my cuticles. And then after rubbing that in, these are how the nails turn out. Like I said, I feel like this set is super pretty. This pink is also super cute, and I love this marble effect. Anybody can do it. It's super easy for beginners. And if I had to change one thing, I would change the way I set up the charms, because it kind of felt weird with the charms being on the pinky nail just because they are so heavy. I would change the marble to the pinky, and like the middle with the index. Thumb can stay like that, but yeah, these are how the nails turn out. And if you have made it this far, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.